Hi, okay, I'm gonna be showing you how to make some slime because, yeah, get out. Just kidding. This is how it turns out. Yeah, just get in the camera like that. And I'm obsessed with slime, so yeah, I'm gonna show you. Kind of like the fart slime, okay? Hi! You want to join us? But he doesn't. Okay. First, you're gonna be needing some No! First, you're gonna be needing some school glue, some water. Some water. Some borax, or you could use liquid starch or Tide or Gain. That's the only soaps I know that will work. Or if you don't have this, you could just get some. You could just get a glue stick, mush it up or something, in warm water, and then put it in the microwave, and then yeah. And this is food coloring, but you don't really need it in a bowl. And a spoon. I didn't bring it, so I'll be right back. So I got it. Okay. So get out. First, you're gonna be getting your water. It's just a pellet. Some water. Doesn't matter how much. And then you're gonna get your butter. And then I'm gonna do another video because there's 2 ways to make slime. So if you don't have this. Okay, so you get a spoonful. And just mix it and then put it aside. That's heavy, okay. Then you get your glue. Stop it. And pour some. I really don't want to make a lot because I already have some slime. But you could make as much as you want. Okay. And then once you have that in there, yeah, it's painted because I tried to water marble my nails, but I couldn't because I suck at it. So yeah. Then if you want, you get your food coloring. I want a little bit of blue. Get out. Wow, yeah, just cover me. Go ahead. Move. Muévete. And that doesn't even show up. Kind of, yeah. So I added a little bit of food coloring. And 1 drop of purple. Okay, so you add your borax, and as you add it, it's gonna get out. It's gonna yeah, that's the glue. So okay, nice to see it. Once you add it, see that? Oh, yep. So you just keep adding, like you just you add on, like it depends how much you have. So I'm gonna go keep on pouring it, and I'll be right back. So let's be like in 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so once you added your borax, it's gonna look like it. Okay, there might be some water in. Just let that, you could dump it out. Okay, so once it's already slime, you just have to play with it and like knead it so it won't just be like this. And yeah, so again, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and knead it. Get out. So stop barking at me.